This person requested I make a video on how they can actually buy render service on buycard.ng. If you are coming across this particular video on buycard.ng for the very first time, I make a video on how I actually make 50,000 naira with this particular app. And the second video, I make a step-by-step tutorial on what the business is all about. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like to render service using buycard.ng. So what you're going to do is to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. You're going to register with your Gmail address and phone number. This is exactly how the page is going to look like. As you can see on my screen right now, there are different services that is rendered on this particular app, but there's only one thing that I focus on most because other service I do is actually more expensive on this particular app, of which I'm going to show you. So what I do basically here is I say scratch card. For instance, you want to get a scratch card, you click on anyone that you want to buy. Let's click on app the scratch card. This is exactly how it's going to look like, and then you click on the proceed to make payments sign, and if you're going to be buying more than one, you click on the plus sign. If you're going to be buying more than, just one, you just proceed. Then I do not always deposit money on this particular app. I only make use of the bank transfer method. So after you click on it, it's going to initiate account number you're going to send money to. You copy the account number, send the exact amount that they sell scratch card on the particular app, and then you click I have transferred. Once you click you've transferred, make sure you screenshot your payment, and then it's going to initiate a WhatsApp an ID transaction just like this. You then send it, click on the WhatsApp sign, then forward the transaction ID along with your payment screenshots. Then just wait for a few seconds. They are going to send you a message, and you're going to see your order in the order space. This particular spot, my order, you click on it and you get your scratch card, and that is it. So how you're going to get money from this particular app is when your student or your client wants to buy scratch card. For instance, you charge 25, that's the amount I charge, and on this particular app you're going to be getting it for 1,001, of which you have 1,004 left with you. So that is how you get money using this particular app. Now the next question is probably going to be, how am I going to get audience? Then you're going to watch the next video in the description box in case you're coming across this particular video with the very first. As you can see, there's jam or what's it called, jam service on this particular app as well, but it's too expensive. Here you can see jam admission letter printing is 1,600, whereas on jam portal itself is 1,020 naira, and you charge 2,500 naira. So you're going to be getting 1,480 as profit. Basically, I do not use this service. The only service I use on this particular app is selling of scratch card. There are other services that you can render as well. If you see anyone you can do, you can go ahead and do it. But for me, I only say scratch card. And one more thing, why scratch card is actually expensive here, you can actually check OPay. They say scratch card too. Yeah. So that is how it is done, and it's as simple as that. Alright guys, if you have any other question, make sure you ask them in the comment section. I'll be there to answer every single question. And do not forget to like the video, comments, and let me know if you're going to be trying this out. Yeah, I'll be so glad. Anyways, bye. See you in the next one. Take care of yourself.